Hi, this is the TCL TAB 10 second generation, and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first we should get the Ampere application from the Play Store. That's why open the Play Store and in the search box enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application, so tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap to open the app. And here click to yes, I agree, pick close and tap to OK. And after that you can see here information about our battery health, and in my case battery is in a good condition. And also we got here more information like the battery level, capacity, voltage, model and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video leave thumbs up and subscribe.